report for today is as follows. We had 634 new cases and 16 people have lost their lives. Total number of active cases in the state as of today stands at 4,915. I would also like to inform you that the testing also has been maximum this month. We are close to touching 50,000 tests, today being the 17th of May. Last month, in the whole month of April, we touched 60,000. So we expect that this month of May, we should be touching a total testing of 70,000+, maybe touching 80,000 tests. I would also like to inform you that in the last 1 month, after a lot of work that has been done by the officials, the health department and the government together, we have been able to expand our oxygen supported beds from 350 to 750 today. And we are hopeful to expand that to 1,000 oxygen supported beds in the next 2 weeks. The government has decided last week to start some form of Corona care centers, Corona isolation centers, whatever nomenclature one would like to use, in different cluster-based units in different parts of the city. And this is anticipating that we may require more beds. We are trying to increase the presence at the locality level so that certain cases which may not need full medical attention or full hospital services could also be supported through these different centers that will start at the community level, and this will be supported by the government, where we will put basic manpower in these centers also, and we'll also be supporting them with oxygen concentrators so that those patients, as I mentioned, who don't need full medical service of a hospital can also be given a bed and given the basic support in these locations also. So roughly about 300 such beds will be created in the next few days in different parts of the city with the help of the community.